Hi there, I'm Matt Phillips for TechRadar, and Pablo Escobar's brother has just announced he's making an affordable, unbreakable, foldable smartphone. And here's everything you need to know about it in 1 minute. This new smartphone comes from the famed drug lord's brother, Roberto Escobar. The Escobar Fold 1 will have a 7.8-inch AMOLED display. This display sits on the outside of the device. And I know what you're thinking. If the display is on the outside, doesn't that mean it will easily get scratched and damaged? Well, fear not. Escobar claims the display is a special type of plastic which is tougher than the Samsung Galaxy Fold. But just to put your mind properly at ease, the phone also comes with a complimentary faux leather case, which is made of a special type of polymer that is military grade and waterproof. Some speculation has suggested that this is a rebranded Royale Flex Pi, which does make sense as the design and specifications match. But as of right now, nothing is known for sure. The Escobar Fold 1 is available to pre-order from Escobar Inc.'s website right now. But considering what we already know about foldable smartphones, this does seem a little too good to be true. So, if you're thinking about getting it, do your research, make sure you know exactly what you're getting before you order. We should also warn you that the website isn't exactly safe for work, so if you're going to visit, do so at your own risk. Thanks for watching. We really want to hear from you on this one, so comment below with what you think of the Pablo Escobar Fold 1. If you like this video, remember to give it a like. Head up here for more TechRadar videos. You can subscribe just down here. And remember, for all the latest tech news and reviews, head to techradar.com.